Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are addressing a pressing question. Is no-code app building a trap? Well, let's dive in and find out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I think we've all heard of no-code app development, and if you've clicked on this video, you already know about it, but is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? What are the disadvantages of it? What are the advantages of it? So we're going to explore the promise that it gives and also some of the pitfalls of building applications without having the knowledge of writing code, and whether it's actually a revolutionary approach and if it's right for your project, because this applies to you as an individual. So first of all, let's have a look at some of the disadvantages of no-code development. So while no-code development actually offers very impressive benefits, which you've seen with some of our videos, there are tons of these platforms. They do come with significant limitations that can actually become critical bottlenecks as your project actually scales. So the first thing is the deep customization not being possible without actual code. This means there's complex or unique features that differentiate your product, and it may be completely impossible to actually implement. Also, apps can suffer from slower speeds and scalability issues as your user base grows, potentially creating poor user experience during critical growth phases. And this is something that cannot be avoided. You also become more dependent on the platform's rules, their pricing structures, and their available integrations. Switching platforms later can be expensive and also technically impossible. Their integration limits, just to go into that a little bit more. Business critical systems may not actually connect smoothly with no-code platforms because they have been built with code. This will restrict any essential functionality and forcing workarounds. Sometimes workarounds are great, but sometimes workarounds mean more work. Also, it's not a full replacement. Okay, so no-code excels for prototyping and for simple apps, but it often does fall short for mission-critical, large-scale enterprise projects that require more robust architecture. This means that we can build maybe simple things, but when we have to go into real deep detail, not having any coding experience or not knowing how to code really will come into play here. The verdict over here is that a no-code is a powerful tool for rapid prototyping and simple applications, but understanding its limitations is really crucial before committing to it for long-term, scalable solutions. But what are the advantages? So let's have a look here. First of all, they are transforming how we build software, making app creation accessible for entrepreneurs, designers, and business professionals without technical backgrounds. This means if you have an idea, you can actually put it down in your builder and not have to have the background of a coder or a developer. Anybody with an idea can literally build anything. You can also launch MVPs in days or weeks instead of months, enabling more rapid iterations and real-time market testing to validate concepts quickly. It also does reduce development cost by 25 to 50% compared to your more traditional coding. Some of the quick feature updates. The drag and drop interfaces enable changes and new features within hours, dramatically shortening the feedback loops and accelerating product evolution. And then also platforms like Bubble, Adalo, and Glide are now powering over 65% of new business applications, providing the viability of no-code solutions. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below.